Gregor Park is about a 13-acre empty site when we started back in March of last year, 24. The development of the park itself included 2 soccer fields, tennis courts, pickleball courts, a shade structure, and future parking lots. It was one big mass grading operation for the entire site. And then we had excess dirt that we needed to stockpile so it could be off-hauled later. Once all the grading was done to the soccer field, we had a specialized company come in and install an underground drainage system. It took approximately 20 loads of specialized kind of Bermuda grass to be rolled and put into place just for the soccer fields alone. For the parking lots, it was the mass grading operation in the very beginning, cutting all the dirt down to grade or subgrade. And then after that, it was bringing in aggregate base from the George Reed plants, Munn and Perkins, and Table Mountain. We hauled in approximately 2,000 tons of asphalt to pave the parking lot and tennis courts. There's approximately 13 semi-truck loads of bark out there in the various areas that will be future playgrounds. There was over 2,000 cubic yards of concrete poured on this project between the sidewalks and the various curbs and mow strips and everything else. I'm very proud of all the George Reed employees, foremen, workers that did every part of this job out here. There were multiple foremen, multiple crews out here working. Everybody had a part in making this park great for the city of Oakdale.